Did you know that black raisins contain more antioxidants than many other dried fruits, including popular choices like dried apricots and dates? It's true. These humble, wrinkled morsels pack a powerful punch when it comes to protecting your body from oxidative stress. Yet, despite their impressive nutritional profile, black raisins often sit quietly on supermarket shelves, overshadowed by trendier superfoods and overlooked in favor of their fresh grape counterparts. Today, we're uncovering the hidden health benefits of black raisins, benefits that can make a real difference in your daily wellness. Black raisins are more than just a sweet snack. They're the dried version of black grapes, and in the transformation from grape to raisin, their nutrients become more concentrated. This means that every handful delivers a dense supply of vitamins, minerals, and, most importantly, antioxidants. But why don't more people talk about them? And why do dried fruits, in general, get such a mixed reputation? One common misconception is that all dried fruits are mere sugar bombs, stripped of their nutritional value and best avoided. While it's true that drying fruit concentrates its natural sugars, it also locks in a wealth of beneficial compounds. Unfortunately, many overlook the fact that black raisins, in particular, offer a unique combination of nutrients that can support several aspects of health. Another misconception is that only fresh fruits are worth eating for your health, and anything dried is a lesser alternative. But when it comes to black raisins, nothing could be further from the truth. Let's start by exploring what sets black raisins apart. Rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, black raisins help combat the damaging effects of free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells, contributing to aging and chronic diseases. The antioxidants found in black raisins neutralize these molecules, potentially reducing your risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and other illnesses linked to oxidative stress. Speaking of heart health, black raisins are particularly beneficial. They are high in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Consuming potassium-rich foods like black raisins can help counteract the effects of sodium in your diet, leading to healthier blood pressure levels. But that's not all. The fiber and antioxidants in black raisins also contribute to lowering bad cholesterol levels, which further supports heart health. Regularly including them in your diet can be a simple yet effective step towards a healthier cardiovascular system. Digestion is another area where black raisins shine. They are a natural source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This combination helps keep your digestive system running smoothly in two important ways. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that slows digestion, helping you feel full longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and keeps things moving, reducing the risk of constipation. If you experience irregularities in your digestive system, a small portion of black raisins each day could make a noticeable difference. But the benefits aren't limited to what's happening inside your body. Black raisins can also enhance your appearance on the outside, particularly when it comes to your skin. The antioxidants, vitamins A and E, and natural sugars in black raisins contribute to glowing, youthful skin. These compounds help protect your skin cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and promote repair. Over time, this can lead to a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, a more even complexion, and a natural radiance. Furthermore, the iron content in black raisins supports better blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, rosy glow. Now, let's uncover a benefit of black raisins that's rarely discussed, yet could significantly impact your daily life: their role in enhancing energy levels. Unlike processed snacks that cause a rapid spike and fall in blood sugar, black raisins provide a more sustained release of energy. This is thanks to their balanced profile of natural sugars, fiber, and micronutrients. The natural sugars, mainly fructose and glucose, offer a quick energy boost, while the fiber slows absorption, preventing sudden crashes. Meanwhile, the B vitamins and iron in black raisins help your body convert food into energy more efficiently and support healthy oxygen transport throughout your body. This means that a small handful of black raisins can be the perfect mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up, supporting both physical and mental performance without the jitters or crashes associated with sugary treats. For those who lead an active lifestyle, black raisins can be a game changer. Their combination of quick and sustained energy makes them an ideal pre- or post-workout snack. But even if you're not an athlete, everyone can benefit from steady energy levels throughout the day. Imagine feeling less fatigued during work or study sessions, or powering through your daily tasks with greater stamina, all thanks to something as simple as adding black raisins to your regular routine. To recap, black raisins are a nutritional powerhouse, often hidden in plain sight. They're rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, high in potassium and fiber to support heart health and digestion, and packed with skin-loving vitamins and minerals. Plus, their unique ability to provide both immediate and sustained energy can help you avoid the highs and lows associated with more processed snacks. Unlike many so-called health foods, black raisins are affordable, widely available, and incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Add them to your oatmeal, sprinkle them over salads, or simply enjoy a small handful as a snack. So, the next time you're searching for a nutrient-dense, delicious, and convenient way to boost your health, don't overlook black raisins. They might just be the simple addition your diet needs, offering hidden benefits that go far beyond their sweet taste and chewy texture. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about everyday foods that can transform your health, make sure to subscribe. There's a whole world of nutritious, underrated ingredients waiting to be discovered, and we're excited to share them with you. Thanks for joining us, and here's to a healthier, more energetic you.